Hello, my name is Jiten Kumar and I'm going to talk through the new mesh reconstruct options in spot weld remeshing in Primer 19. First, a quick reminder of the benefits of the connection tool in Primer. The connection tool allows the user to easily create, modify and delete spot welds, bolts, adhesive and other connections. The connection entity allows Primer to store all of the information that make up the appropriate connection. That means that, for example, it is possible at any time to modify a connection easily, including updating and remaking it, and the associated information will also update accordingly. As Primer knows what entities make up the connection, it can also delete old entities and make new ones as required. Furthermore, the connection table shown here permits easy modification of many connections simultaneously. Spot weld remesh is an option available in connection table. Spot weld remeshing is used to remesh the panels that are welded so the spot weld is directly meshed into them. For example, the image on left shows a normal 4 solid nugget spot weld which is attached using a tight contact. The image on the right shows the same spot weld connection but using the spot weld remeshing, creating a ring of elements around the weld to represent the heat affected zone. These elements are moved to a different part so the material properties can be different. The spot weld remesh is controlled in the Connection Creation Options panel under Spot Weld tab. The panel provides various options like align solid weld to free edge, spot weld remesh feature line angle, preserve corner angle, etc. In Primer 19, we have added HAZ mesh reconstruct and HAZ tria reduction options to improve mesh quality by reducing the tria element density around spot welds during spot weld remeshing. Tria density refers to tria elements sharing nodes with another tria. In HAZ mesh reconstruct method, Primer will remesh the elements around all the selected spot welds simultaneously to improve mesh quality by reducing the number of trias. HAZ tria reduction is a second option to reduce tria element density. In this method, Primer loops through all the elements and tries to merge tria to further reduce their numbers. The model soon contains 4 solid nugget spot weld. First, we will perform spot weld remeshing without mesh reconstruct option. To perform spot weld remeshing, go to Connection, Table and Apply. Now we will make sure that HAZ mesh reconstruct is deselected in Options panel. Just go to Options panel and make sure that it is deselected. Now we will enable the spot weld remesh options. Go to Spot Remesh, Remesh Diameter, Remesh End Rings, R1 Diameter, Remesh or not PID and R1 PID and Dismiss. We will select all the spot welds using Select All and enable the remesh around spot weld. Specify the number of rings around the spot weld. Specify the diameter, ring diameter, and specify the part ID for R0 and R1. After providing all the details, hit Selected to perform the spot weld remeshing. You can see it has created a ring around the spot welds and it has remeshed elements around all the spot welds. We have written a script to count all the trias around spot weld which are sharing node with another tria. We will run the script to get the count of such trias. As you can see, it is showing around 43 such trias which are sharing node with another tria. Now we will perform spot weld remeshing with the new HAZ mesh reconstruct options. We'll again go to Connection, Table and Apply, and it is already available. All the spot weld remesh that we have selected previously already available. We will select all, specify the same diameter and other parameters. We will specify 1 as a number of rings around spot weld, diameter 10, Specify the part ID and second part ID. Now we will enable the HAZ mesh reconstruct options. Specify the element size to 4.5, which is the average element size, and hit selected. It has finished creating the spot weld remeshing, and it is only displaying all the reconstructed element after the spot weld remeshing. Now if we run the script to get the tria which is sharing node with another tria around the spot weld, we'll select model 2, and this time it is showing lesser number of trias which are sharing node with another trias around all the spot welds, and the number is down to 15. Thank you.